The message that there is no components to be able to add a draft to is rather simple. There are no components that you can add a draft to. It's a simple message that you'll get when there is no information for the software to deal with. The answer would be to simply add a component or a model and then apply the draft. It's just that easy. A note of warning is that the draft will be applied to any and all visible components within the 3D view. So choose wisely which component you want the draft to be added to. Thanks for watching. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos. And if you have any questions or comments, you can contact us at mm@mezalick.com. Enjoy!